Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make canned sardines in tomato sauce. First, choose fresh sardines, ideally around 5 to 6 inches in length, for optimal texture and flavor. Carefully clean each fish by descaling, gutting, and removing the heads. After cleaning, give them a good rinse under cold, running water. It's crucial to pat them completely dry with paper towels before moving to the next step. This ensures they cook properly and absorb the delicious tomato sauce. Now that your sardines are clean and dry, it's time to cook them. Lightly season both sides of each sardine with salt. This enhances their natural flavor. Carefully arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. This initial cooking step helps firm up the fish and prepares them for the canning process. While the sardines are baking, let's create our flavorful tomato sauce. In a saucepan, sauté 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until they become fragrant and translucent. Next, add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, along with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken slightly. With both components ready, it's time to combine them and prepare for canning. Carefully layer the cooked sardines and the rich tomato sauce into sterilized canning jars. Ensure you leave 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles. Finally, process the sealed jars in a boiling water canner for 100 minutes to ensure safe preservation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.